Hi, I'm Dr. Ryan Bentley. I want to talk to you about the probiotic strain Streptococcus Thermophilus. This probiotic is often used in culturing yogurt and the making of that process. Another property that it has is that it actually has been shown to be very acid resistant, meaning that it survives the stomach acid and gets into the intestines to do the good that it's supposed to do. Some of the good that it actually does is that it binds to the walls in the intestines that acts as a competitive inhibitor. So what does that mean? Well, actually what it does is as it binds to the gut wall, it actually prevents other bacteria that can be harmful or pathogenic in nature, meaning that it can create pathology in your body, prevents those from actually growing and overtaking that population in there. To that effect, it's actually been shown to have there's what's called antibiotic associated diarrhea, and that's when people take antibiotics, and antibiotics are a medication that are very useful in our society. However, some of them are not very scrupulous about who they attack. It's like a smoke bomb, and it can kill not just pathogenic bacteria, but also the good bacteria in your gut. And so you often get an imbalance of the bacteria in your gut, which will lead to diarrhea. And so this strain of probiotic has been shown to be able to help with that. And part of that property is that it binds to the gut wall, preventing bad bacteria to overtake that's left after the antibiotic is done its process inside the intestinal tract. The other things that it does is it actually helps cellular regeneration. The epithelial lining of the gut lining, it will be damaged sometimes when there's inflammation, and so it helps soothe that over and helps the healing process in the gut lining, which also provides an anti-inflammatory component to the intestinal lining as well. Something else that has been known to be beneficial for is people have a condition that's called lactose intolerance. Lactose intolerance can happen for a couple different reasons. One, someone can have a gut lining where their gut lining, instead of having a little villi, the gut lining actually gets eroded, and so when it gets eroded, you no longer have the cells there to make the enzyme called lactase. So they will have a intermittent or transient and self-resolving lactose intolerance, or actually there are people that are born genetically that do not have the lactase enzyme, so they're what's called lactose intolerance. And this probiotic has been shown to have lactase and help break down lactose itself, so it can be beneficial for those people that are suffering with lactose intolerance. And lastly, it's been shown in the research to be helpful for infants and babies that are colicky, to help parents get a better sleep at night.